Welcome back. Here we have a question that says find the value of k if the line 2y minus kx plus 4 is equal to 0 is perpendicular to the line y plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So they say we should find the value of k if this equation of the line is equal to this equation of the, or is perpendicular to this equation of the line. If this equation of the line is perpendicular to, that means if we have two lines that are perpendicular to each other, okay, so the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now if two lines are perpendicular to each other, it can be in any direction. It may be this one is like this, the other one is like this. But when we say some lines or two lines are perpendicular, it means the angle between them is 90 degrees. Okay, it means the angle between them is 90 degrees. So if two lines are perpendicular to each other, it also means that the product of their gradients, m1 times m2, is minus 1. Okay, it means that the product of their gradients is minus 1. So let me clean this one. Now the general form of every equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Okay, m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept, and this is the general form. So if they give you any equation of line, you need to change that equation of line to something like this. Okay, so if you have 2y minus kx plus 4 equal to 0, it simply means that, okay, now let's let everything here come to the other side and let's leave our 2y, because we want an expression for y. We want something that looks like y is equal to something, something, something. You understand? Alright, so let everything here go to this side. So we have 2y equals to kx minus 4. Because when these guys come to the other side, when they cross the equality sign, this minus will go, will become plus, and this plus will also become minus. Okay, so we now have 2y equals to kx minus 4. But we are still left with these 2 here. We want these 2 to get out. We want it to be eliminated. So what do? We divide through by 2. Let's come here. So 2y divided by 2 equals to kx divided by 2 minus 4 also divided by 2. So these 2 will cancel out. So your y will be k over 2x minus 2. 4 over 2 is 2. Okay, so now we have been able to get a form that is just like our general form. So from here, when we compare this equation to this equation, it means our gradient is k over 2, because that's the coefficient of x in this equation. So therefore our m here is k over 2. Let's name it m1. m1 is k over 2. Alright, so that's that. Let's get our m2 for the other equation. The other equation is y plus 1 over 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So let's send all these guys to the other side. So your y will be minus 1 over 4x plus 1. Okay, so when we compare it to the general form of an equation, which is y is equal to mx plus c, this minus 1 over 4 will become our m. Okay, so our m2 here is minus 1 over 4. Our m2 here is minus 1 over 4. So m2 is minus 1 over 4. Now we said m1 times m2 must give us minus 1, as they are perpendicular lines. Okay, m1 times m2, sorry, I said plus. m1 times m2 must give us minus 1. Okay, so our m1 is k over 2. K over 2 times minus 1 over 4 must give us minus 1, because they are perpendicular lines. Okay, so now k times minus 1 is minus k. 2 times 4 is 8, all equal to minus 1. So from here, we'll do what? We'll cross multiply. When you cross multiply, whatever comes is here will come here. Whatever is here will go to that side. Okay, so 8 will go and join minus 1 and times it. Whatever is here to go, but there's nothing here. So you have only your minus k left alone. equal to minus 1 times 8. So minus k will now be minus 1 times 8 is minus 8. But we are looking for k, we are not looking for minus k. So we need to eradicate this minus. We need to remove it. Find a way to, eliminate it. So we divide, what we do is just divide both sides by minus 1. So when we divide here by minus 1, we divide here by minus 1. Or let me write that one separately. Minus k divided by minus 1 equals to minus 8 divided by minus 1. So this minus will cancel out. This one too will cancel out. So k over 1. K over 1 is same thing as k. Okay, k over 1 is same thing as k. And let me write that one here. So therefore, our k is equal to 8 over 1. 8 divided by 1 is same thing as 8. So our k is simply 8.